Hello and welcome to the Client Dashboard. Through the Client Dashboard, you can easily track feedback, share documents, and avoid costly mistakes due to miscommunication. For your clients, this is their single access point for all information in the project. They can access live schedules and selections boards, keep track of different files, and more with a click, all with full control over the details shared with them. Let's familiarize you with what your client will be able to see on the Client Dashboard. You've got your logo and your contact information. The tabs on the left-hand side will change, depending on which information you've granted your client access to. The Messages tab will always appear, and this is where your client can track previous conversations, as well as get in touch with you directly by sending you a message. Throughout the entire Client Dashboard, they'll also see the Send Message button at the top. In the Financial tab, your client will be able to view and approve documents, and if you have online payments set up, they can also pay outstanding invoices. They'll have a section for proposals or estimates and invoices here. They can click on any of the documents to open it up and see it in more detail. They are also able to sign and submit through here. If you grant your clients access, they will be able to see the project schedule, track at which stage the project currently is, and what is coming up next. We'll click on the Files tab. Here is where your client can see any files and photos that you've shared with them. They can get a preview by clicking on any of them and can download by clicking on the three dots. You'll also have access to the daily logs that you've shared with them. This is where they can read about any progress or issues on the job site. It can be written by you, your team members, or your subcontractors. We've got a section here for your client to view any of the selections boards that you have published. To view any of the items, your client can simply click on the product and see all specs. They can also easily approve or decline items and leave feedback. Now, let's learn how to share the Client Dashboard with your client. Once you're in a project, navigate to the Client Dashboard tab in your main navigation. This will take you to the Client Dashboard page, where you can preview how the dashboard will look to your client. You can share it as an email with a link, or just share the link directly with your client. To share it as an email, check off which details you want to show to your clients. You can input a message or use a generated one. You can also check off if you want to send a copy to your own email and then click Send. Your client would have received an email that has a link to the dashboard homepage. It's useful to tell them to bookmark this link so your client can quickly access it in the future. No stress if they lose or delete the email. You can easily reissue the email and send a new one. To share the Client Dashboard as a link, select the Link option at the top and then select which details you want to show up on the Client Dashboard. Make sure to have link sharing on and then click Copy Link. Now you can share the link to your client by pasting the link in any chat you have with your client, such as a text message or email. This link will remain the same even as the Client Dashboard is updated. Rather than you having to email your client multiple different selections boards, keep track of different files, or send a new issued PDF every time a change has been made, your client can view all of the latest information via this simple link. Start using the Client Dashboard now and let us know if you have any feedback or questions. Thanks for watching.